A seagull, scientifically known as Larus or commonly referred to as a seagull, is a medium to large-sized bird belonging to the family Laridae. They are widespread across coastal areas and are often associated with beaches, harbors, and coastal cities. Seagulls have adapted well to human presence and are commonly seen in urban environments scavenging for food. Here's a detailed description of seagulls. Physical appearance. Seagulls typically have a white plumage with gray or black markings on their wings and back. The coloration may vary among different species. They have a robust, streamlined body with a strong, hooked beak, which is used for catching and consuming a variety of foods. Their beak can be yellow, orange, or red, depending on the species and age. Seagulls have webbed feet that aid in swimming and walking on sandy shores. Size. The size of seagulls can vary depending on the species, but they generally range from 30 to 76 centimeters in length and have a wingspan of around 90 to 150 centimeters. Males and females are usually similar in size. Behavior. Seagulls are highly adaptive and intelligent birds. They have a keen sense of opportunism and are excellent scavengers, often stealing food from humans and other animals. Their adaptability to urban environments has earned them a reputation as pests in some areas. Seagulls are social birds and often gather in large flocks, especially during the non-breeding season. Habitat. As the name suggests, seagulls are commonly found near coastal areas and large bodies of water, such as oceans, seas, and lakes. They also inhabit beaches, estuaries, and even inland garbage dumps where they find a steady supply of food. Some species may migrate to different regions depending on the season. Diet. Seagulls are omnivores, which means they eat a wide variety of foods. Their diet includes fish, crustaceans, insects, small mammals, eggs, and even carrion. They are also known to scavenge for human food scraps and garbage, which is one reason they are commonly found in urban areas. Breeding. Seagulls usually form monogamous pairs during the breeding season. They build nests on the ground or on cliffs using grass, seaweed, and other materials. The female typically lays 2 to 3 eggs, which both parents take turns incubating. After hatching, the chicks are cared for by both parents until they fledge and become independent. Communication. Seagulls are vocal birds and use various calls and cries to communicate with each other. They have a range of vocalizations, including squawks, screeches, and whistles, which serve for territorial defense, mating displays, and warning of potential danger. Importance in the ecosystem. Seagulls play a crucial role in the ecosystem by helping to control populations of small marine animals, such as fish and crustaceans. They also act as scavengers, cleaning up decaying matter from beaches and coastal areas. Despite their adaptability and seemingly aggressive behavior around humans, seagulls are fascinating creatures that have adapted to life in diverse environments, making them an integral part of coastal ecosystems around the world. Diverse species. There are over 50 species of seagulls, belonging to the Larus genus. Some of the most well-known species include the herring gull, ring-billed gull, California gull, lesser black-backed gull, and the great black-backed gull. Each species has its own unique characteristics and range. Longevity. Seagulls can live relatively long lives, with some species living up to 20 or even 30 years in the wild, depending on factors such as predation, food availability, and environmental conditions. Communal nests. Seagulls are social birds and often nest in colonies. These nesting colonies can range from a few pairs to thousands of individuals. The colonies offer protection from predators, and the birds benefit from collective vigilance in watching out for potential threats. Migratory patterns. Some seagull species are migratory, traveling long distances between breeding and wintering grounds. These migrations can be hundreds or even thousands of miles and often follow specific routes. Overall, seagulls are fascinating and adaptable birds that have thrived in a wide range of environments. They have captured the human imagination with their coastal presence and unique behaviors, making them a familiar and iconic part of the natural world.